I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an egg sandwich in one pan. First, gather your simple ingredients: 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, a slice of cheese, and a little butter. Make sure your pan is non-stick for the best results. Place it on the stove and preheat it over medium-low heat, allowing it to warm up evenly before you begin cooking. Now melt 1 tablespoon of butter in your preheated pan. Once it's shimmering, crack 2 eggs directly into the center. Use a spatula to gently break the yolks and spread the egg mixture out into a thin, even layer across the bottom of the pan. This creates a perfect base for your sandwich, ensuring every bite has egg. As the egg cooks, place 2 slices of bread directly on top of the egg, side by side. Let it cook for about 30 seconds, then carefully flip the entire egg and bread combination over. Now, quickly add a slice of cheese onto 1/2 of the egg, allowing it to melt slightly from the pan's heat. Once the cheese is melted, it's time for the final fold. Carefully bring the 2 sides of the egg and bread together, creating a perfect sandwich. Let it cook for another 1 to 2 minutes, or until both sides are beautifully golden brown and crispy. This ensures everything is heated through and the bread has a lovely texture. Your delicious one-pan egg sandwich is now ready to enjoy. For more great kitchen tips and to make meal prep even easier, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.